Hello, in this video let us we discuss about Java output or print method. Print text. This is the print text, and you learn from the previous chapter that you can use a println method to output values or print text in Java. System.out.println hello world means this is the message which will be. This is the println method. In this parenthesis in double quotes we return a required message. It will be printed on the output screen, and this is the syntax of the output line. You can add as many println method as you want. Note that it will add new line for each method. Means we require more lines as output, means we have to write more lines of println method like that, like this only. System.out.println method hello world, and println method I am learning Java. Println method it is awesome. In this way the message will be printed on the screen, and the message will be only hello world, I am learning Java and it is awesome. This will be printed on the output screen, and it is not compulsory that only one println method in the program is a requirement. How many println function is required means that many println function we can return in the program. In double quotes, when you are working with the text, it must be wrapped inside the double quotation marks. Means you forget that double quotes an error occurs. Means in previous example we written in hello world in this double quotes only, like that. System.hello.println, system.out.println, this sentence will work. This is the message will printed on the screen. That message will be only kept inside the double quotes and inside the parenthesis only. In this way the syntax is correct, means that in that message only printed on the output screen. If double quotation is not, means that it will give an error message on the output screen. In this sentence the double quotes is not present, so that while it will give an error message on the output screen. Like this, required message will be always be kept in the double quotes only. And print method, this is also one of the method to display the required message on the output screen. There is also a print method which will be similar to println method only. The only difference is that it does not insert a new line at the end of the output. System.out.print hello world, system.out.print I will print on the same line. It will give an output. Instead of print, if we use a println method, means it will give two sentences output and two in separate lines only. First line will give output as a hello world, and second line will give as a I will print on the same line. But we use a print method only. Because of that, both sentences will give combined together and form a single line, and it will give output as a hello world, I will print on the same line. These two sentences will combine and give output as a same line. This is the space. Means note that we had a extra space after the word. This is better readability. Means while we use a print method, because of that I will combine together here. You have to separate, means we have to give space here, and when it will produce a space, and after that I will combine here, means and I will be printed on the same line. In this way it will be printed on the output screen. Not that we add an extra space. This is over, and in this tutorial we will only use println as it makes it easier to read the output. And you can also println method to print the numbers. However, unlike text, we don't put numbers inside the double quotes. Means while we printed on the text, means the text will be always kept inside the double quotes, but in this number double quotes is not required. We directly written in the inside the parenthesis only, and it will give output. Means system.out.println inside the parenthesis we return 3. The output will be 3 also. 3 is, means it does not require a double quotes. And in second also 358, it will give output as a 358, and in third 50,000, it will give output as a 50,000. The numbers not required a double quotes to print the output. You can also perform a mathematical calculation inside the println method. Means directly we can print the mathematical collection. Means any two numbers is there, means we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, any mathematical operation using those two numbers inside the parenthesis only using operators. This is the addition operator which will be give addition operation, and 3 plus 3 it will answer is 6, and the print output screen it will print on the print 6 as an answer output. Like this plus is there, we can use minus, multiplication or division. We can use by using this directly perform the mathematical calculation inside the parenthesis. By using println and print method, we can display the required message on the output screen. In next video, we will discuss about next concept of the Java. And if you like this video, means please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.